Hello guys. After fresh install of Windows, you always have to spend a lot of time trying to install hundreds of different programs. It takes a lot of time. Today I'm going to show you Windows Package Manager that can save you a lot of time just installing all the required programs by several clicks. I want to introduce you Ninite program. So these programs give you ability to install programs you need just with several clicks. So open the site ninite.com and you will see that it provides you a list of useful and popular applications. So let's do it together. First of all, let's click application you want to install. Let's install Chrome, Firefox, let's install Zoom. What else? VLC player. What else? Foxit Reader, Earphone View, ShareX. What else? BitTorrent, and for example, 7-zip. So I think this is it. What next? You clicked all the checkboxes, then you press the button Get Your Nanite. It means that the package will be created with all the required applications you need. So press this button, wait for download. Installer is ready. Open file, press yes, and now you see that all your applications are downloading. You don't have to click next hundreds of time. Just wait several minutes and all your application will be downloaded and installed. After several minutes, the process is finished. All your required programs are installed. You can see them here. So please use this application. This is really useful and fast way to install all your required application. Thank you guys, and bye.